everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Jordan on my channel. It's just Jordan, and we got another styling video. I'm very excited because styling is my absolute favorite thing to do. It's not YouTube's favorite thing to see me do, but I like it, so I'm gonna bring it. If you guys saw one of my previous videos, I was talking about my favorite fall fashion trends of 2021. So I say my favorite because there's a difference between fashion trends of 2021 and my favorite. That's just to say, like, I'm not putting those trends out there because you should follow them. Shoot, I'm not even saying you should follow them because I like them. I'm sharing with you that I like them and why I like them. So I know I say this all the time for you guys who like are always here. This is just like for people who've never seen me before, because y'all know, y'all already know, the people who be on here, y'all know somebody gonna say it. Somebody is going to say it, so I will say it first. I got to it first, so what?
We on the same page now? Good, I just want to make sure.
If you have not seen that video already, I suggest you go see that first because I talk about way more trends than I'm styling in this video. If you guys like this one, I can do a part 2 choosing more trends since I didn't choose all of them. If there's a certain one that you would like to see being styled, then comment that one down below. Okay, so the way I'm doing this, my clothes rack is being taken up right now because I'm kind of transitioning some clothes and whatnot. I'm gonna kind of talk through it because I feel like when I talk through styling, it makes it easier for people to go forth and do it themselves rather than them just seeing me in an outfit. Nobody's gonna remember that, but you're gonna remember me explaining why I did it the way I did it. You know, y'all don't be laughing at me. My booty is not packing when I wear low-rise pants. So first thing that I have trending, so we're gonna start with everybody's favorite. I say that with a little bit of sarcasm and a little bit of not, because some of y'all actually really like this trend and some of y'all are like, not for me, but you can appreciate that and I'm cool with that. So the first one I'm going to start with is baggy jeans. The question is, what baggy jeans do I want? Alright, so I've picked out the jeans that I want to style. These are literally my most baggy jeans. They're really old and they're from Boohoo, but Boohoo actually still has them. If you're interested in seeing a video about all of my jeans, including these with links, I tried on every single one. And so I'll put the link in the description box. So we're gonna go ahead and style these, starting with shoes. Okay, so with shoes and baggy jeans, you definitely want to get some shoes that are either gonna pop or they're going to like be a little extra, because ain't nobody gonna see your shoes. You put on some Converse. Shoot, ain't nobody gonna see your shoes if you put on these. I'm kind of leaning towards maybe like these Nikes I have or my Converse. Okay, so I have these Converse and I have these right here. So they're both really chunky. They're pretty bold with like how black and white they are. So I feel like they'll do a decent job at like sticking out. Okay, hi, so welcome to my bed. So I have my baggy jeans. I'm gonna throw it on with this black crop top right here. And I'm also thinking of just keeping it plain and simple, throwing a Prada nylon bag on with it. Really any plain bag will do. These are pretty basic. I'm not sure which shoe I want to go with yet, but this is definitely what I'm thinking so far. Okay, so this is how the first one turned out. I actually quite like it. It's super basic, but it still gets the job done. It's like just enough to still be cute, and I feel like it's really easy to recreate. It's just baggy jeans and then paired with a crop top. I love pairing a small top with larger jeans because I just feel like it's more flattering on my frame. It's giving you a really cool streetwear look. And then also on top, I just draped a simple black contrast stitching denim jacket. It's really light wear, so really good for a transitional fall season. When it does get colder outside, I can easily exchange this out for a puffer. Sunglasses are really like any nice accessories to an outfit. Even if it's as basic as this one, it already looks like you know what you're doing. Okay, so next up, we have the tote bag. Okay, it took everything in me not to add a tote bag to the last outfit, but I wanted to wait until I actually got to the tote bag. Y'all, I love a tote bag. We have been doing mini bags for too long. Your girl couldn't carry her snacks. Okay, so you guessed it. You already know I'm about to style my Telfeezy. This is the medium one. This is honestly my favorite bag in my closet right now. Ooh, we got leather on leather. That's giving me ideas. Should I do it? Oh, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Okay, so since I'm gonna do a leather look, I'm looking for my like favorite leather coats. I think this is her. She looks longer than I remember. I think we're gonna put this on top of the outfit. So far the plan is this leather car coat, the vegan leather bag from Telfar, and then I'm gonna wear the leather pants I have on now with it, but we're just gonna put, just for the show right now, we're gonna use these little sad black leggings that I have. I'm thinking this gray mesh top to just bring down a little of the black, but still do those dark tones that I love for fall and winter. You know, I don't want to show too much, so a bra. As far as shoes go, I'm leaning towards these to give the girls options. If you are like a more dressy person, we can try these too. Okay, honestly, I am living for this outfit. I feel like out of all these outfits, this one is definitely the most me. We've got the stomach out, we've got leather, and your girl loves leather, okay? I just could not resist pairing the leather with my black leather bag, and then the sheerness to the shirt, and then it's gray, so it doesn't make it like too black, and it really chills out at the bottom with the sneakers, although I would love to try it out with those platform boots that I showed you guys. So I just added my leather jacket on top because that was the whole point of this outfit, me putting on a light leather jacket. If you don't have one of these, you absolutely need one. It's my favorite thing in my closet every single year. Okay, I just want to point out the fact that all these outfits I'm showing you guys, I literally don't know what they look like until like I put them on. So this is just planning. That's honestly how I plan my outfits in real life. I don't like sit there and try them on. Even if I'm going on vacation, I will put that thing in my bag, that whole fit, and just hope for the best. Next up, I really want to give you guys some color because I've tapped in more into color this past year. I'm not gonna lie to you. I really was honest with myself this year, and I've kind of discovered that I don't like color that much. At least not in certain areas. But I'm gonna try, but it's just not me. So I have these two metallic pieces. That's gonna be the next trend that I'm gonna style. So I have a metallic bodysuit and I have metallic pants. Now, because you guys haven't officially seen the metallic pants on me, but I've discussed them, we're gonna go ahead and try styling these. Never worn these ever. I ordered them this summer, not knowing that metallics was going to be a hot trend for the fall, and here we are today. So the main component that I decided to style with the metallic pants is this vintage Iron Maiden tee. I kind of just wanted to keep it not necessarily simple, but I didn't want like, I don't know, I guess you'd call it bling, like at the top and bottom, because I feel like even though these aren't sparkly, they're kind of blingy, so I kind of wanted to juxtapose these and make this kind of more masculine. So to bring more edge to this, I'm gonna go with this little necklace right here. We're also gonna go with this in systemic racism bag. I do have like this silver chain that I like to put on this bag that will kind of like just loop. And for the shoes, I'm considering making this like kind of a night outfit, like I guess a night out outfit. Now you could easily like switch this up and throw on some sneakers with this. That would be no big deal at all. Just a way to wear it two different ways. Okay, so I'm loving the concept of me having on metallic pants with these glittery shoes. The only thing for me is that these pants are a little big on me, so it could be more flattering than it actually is. But since they are baggy pants, I'm glad that I have them with a baggy shirt as well. I just don't think a crop top would have did me any justice in this situation. But I'm definitely loving it with this vintage tee. It's given it a little bit of edge, and I'm very edgy when it comes to fashion. I actually decided to switch out that black bag for this red bag. Forgot I had it, and it brought out the red font on my t-shirt. So we love that. But I must say I am partial to the bubble coat look. Alright, next up we have the cropped blazer. I want to say it's the only one, I want to say it's the only one that I own. I plan to change that this fall and winter. And with this not being black, this is going to give me a lot of leeway to do just something a little different. Alright, letting y'all into my brain. So here's the cropped blazer. I'm gonna go with these brown pants right here. They're just like gator print. You guys probably saw them in my previous video where I did a haul. Everything is linked over there, by the way. So of course, with having all this brown, definitely want to do a brown shoe, and then these are flared out pants, so I really want to do like a heeled boot. There's nothing I love more than an outfit that's mixed with vintage and new. It just helps my outfits look like a little bit more expensive. Just getting new pieces, sometimes you can look cheap, and even with an all vintage outfit, sometimes I feel a little dusty. So yeah, it's just a little trick tip right there. It's not giving what the girls want, and so give me a second. Okay, so I have two top options that I'm thinking. So there's this one, and it's just kind of like a little scrunch tie-up crop top. You guys know I love my crop tops. This is a lot of Motel Rock stuff I got on the bed right now. The other one I'm thinking is this top because it brings out the browns, but it also brings some color, some fun, and these are very much fall colors, like literally the color of turning leaves, and so I really kind of like that. I feel like this matches better like just like immediately looking at it, but we're gonna see how this goes over. And then of course, keeping up with the brown theme, we're gonna throw a Louis bag with it. So this next outfit, can I just go ahead and say I kind of did that because these colors and then how I'm breaking it up with this like light tan crop blazer, super cute. So for this particular cropped blazer, I'm liking that my pants are more fitted, so it's showing off my shape because the crop blazer is given the opportunity for that. Now I'm not gonna lie to you, if you see me in these boots, I probably only wore them for the picture. So instead of doing that, I decided to switch out the boots for like these cherry red Jade Doc Martens that I have. It's still giving edgy, it's still giving cute, we still got the platforms, but it's definitely just a lot more comfortable. And to be honest, chunky Doc Martens are a lot more me than like skinny, they're not skinny heel boots, but just like skinnier boots. I love the interest of the top with the different colors. This is something that I've been trying to incorporate into my wardrobe more often. If you guys are interested in some like cool pieces to put with like your boring fall clothes, because I know that's what I had last year, check out my last video because I definitely showed some pieces like that. Okay, so the next thing I'm styling, I've had a thing for this since I was in middle school. I wasn't allowed to wear it, but I always wanted them. And when I got older, I got myself tons, as you can see. So the next category for something that's majorly trending, platform boots, and I'm so happy about it. Where I live, people just think I'm goth when I wear these, but I've just always felt like these shoes, they are giving power. I'm very bold when it comes to my dressing. If you saw where I lived and you saw the outfits that I really be going out here in, you would be like, are you okay? And I don't believe in keeping myself away from things that I truly love because of embarrassment. So if you ever feel that way, girl, bump them people. I want to say something else, but we're gonna leave it at that. Wear what you want to wear. I pulled out a colorful piece, okay? We're doing color. I was gonna do it, y'all. I was gonna give y'all another neutral piece, but here is some color. All right, so the outfit plan, we have this green silk top, black blazer. I was very conflicted about the black blazer. Number one, because I want to get a new one. I want to get a brand new one. I honestly normally put like a leather jacket with this, and I'll probably show you another way to wear it. I was just trying to give you something different. One of my favorite pieces as well, this is like a black mini skirt. It is not fall and winter if I don't pull this one out. And of course, my big stompers. Accessories, we're gonna do a mini bag since we've got so much big stuff going on, and then just some plain simple black glasses. I was a little concerned about the blazer. I did not know how it was gonna have me looking because I'm wearing like a turtleneck top. So I was worried that I was gonna look a little matronly, but this is actually so cool. And I think it all lies within the blazer just being really well structured and not too big on me and not too small. It's literally like the perfect size for my frame and this look. I don't know if you guys remember Shigo from Kim Possible, but she was the inspo for this look. Black and green is so futuristic, but like modern at the same time. I paired it with like these yellow lens glasses to make it even that more edgier. And I also ended up putting this bag across my shoulders to kind of cinch in the blazer a little bit without like wearing something like a belt. It definitely added something to that middle part before I had it on my shoulder, and it just was not giving in the middle area. So when I crossbodied this, that definitely added more interest to the middle of my outfit. But love a mini skirt and platform boots for sure. Okay, y'all, so I hope y'all like that way of styling. I just feel like it helps me easier break down exactly how I do it. So if you guys do like kind of seeing the inside of my brain and how it works when I put pieces together, definitely let me know if you want a part 2 and even what pieces you were really looking forward to me styling. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. And you guys can check me out on Instagram where you will see lovely pictures of me and my outfits. So thank you for watching, and I will see y'all next time on my channel.